Welcome everybody as you continue learning. Subscribe to my channel as we keep on learning Adobe Illustrator as you see. And we are going through the tools step by step, and I think you are doing a good job. Those who are commenting on the channel, you are doing a good job. You can subscribe as we keep on learning to the YouTube channel. I'll keep on uploading as we go by, as time goes by. And today we're going to talk about the scale tool. The scale tool is still found on the left. All the tools are found on the left side of the left side is where the tools are. So the scale tool is just right here, and the shortcut is S. So if I click here and you click on your keyboard the S, it's gonna give you that. So you need for you to be able to understand, you need to go through this first. So the scale tool, which is S, which is shortcut, it's a function in Adobe Illustrator to resize objects, allowing you to make them larger or smaller, either proportionally or non-proportional. So the keywords are resizing, then making them larger or smaller, depending on how you manipulate it, then either proportionally or non-proportional. So those are the keywords in red. And so you need a path to do that, or you need a shape. A shape, you can activate the fill right here. So if you activate fill like that, any color can do. Then the fill comes here, then you can draw a shape, any shape. So probably we shall use the rectangular shape like that. That's how you draw the rectangular shape. Then after you draw the shape, you just go straight to the tool on the left, which is the scale tool, which is here. So scaling is increasing, reducing. Scaling can be either way. So when you take the scale tool, when you select, then you take the scale tool right there, right click, then you take that, or you can press S on the keyboard. Then you can just do that, just drag that either like that or like that, top bottom or left right, like that. So that is scaling. Any shape can do, it can be even a star. So when you have a star like that, then you take the scaling tool. So yeah, then you can give it color. Just drag it to give it the manipulation that you want. So that one looks like a star on the floor. It gives you that because it is flat now. So that is how you do that. Any shape can do. Just right click here, then you can take any shape, even a polygon can do. So like that. Yeah, even a circle can do. So you do that, you take the scale tool and you just drag it either way to get the size that you want. So that is the function of the scale tool. Yeah, so we are going to talk about also the shear tool as well. They're just on the same part. The scale tool is the first, then the shear tool is the second. So when you come to the shear tool right here, the shear tool in Adobe Illustrator is to skew or slant a selected object by moving opposite sides parallel to each other, creating a distorted or slanted effect, such as turning a rectangle into a slanted monogram. So skewing and slanting, those are the keywords. When you have opposite sides to each other, so distorting or slanting, or turning a rectangle to a slanted parallelogram. So those are the keywords we need to learn over there. So when you we need a shape, so we shall just come here, draw that shape like that. It can be a rectangle, a circle, a polygon, a star. It depends with the shape. So just draw it by activating the fill. So that is stroke and that is fill. but we need any can do, either fill or stroke. So let us go with the fill. Then when you take the shear, you just right click, the shear is right there, then you can just do that, that is shearing. Yeah, just use this point, and even can do it from there, so long as this is active, so long as this point is active. And on the mouse you can use this part of the mouse, that is left clicking on the mouse, then you just drag it, give it that shape. So yeah, we have that. So that is the shear tool, function of the shear tool. Yeah, like that. You can even use the ellipse like that. So when you do that, you shear. Yeah, so that is shearing. Yeah, yeah, that is the shear tool. Then you can take even a polygon right there. The polygon is there, and you can, yes, something like that. So that is just you pull. You can use any point to make it, like on the floor, the polygon on the floor. That's how it looks like. Yeah, so that's how we use that. Even the star can do as well. Shear like that. Then take the shear. Yeah. Okay. Delete. Give it a color like that. Then you do that. That is now the shearing you're talking about. Yeah, so that is the shear tool in a nutshell. So thank you for watching. We are covering the scale tool and the shear tool, and that's how they work. And thank you for watching, and keep on subscribing to my channel, and see you next time.